For problem number 12, we have direct variation, and we know that any direct variation, if we want to find the constant of variation, which is our letter k, we know that k equals y over x. So in this case, our y equals negative 44, our x equals 11, so that's going to be a k of negative 4. And to write the direct variation equation, what we're going to do is we are going to put it in y equals kx form. So what that means is I'm just going to take y equals, and I'm going to substitute that negative 4 that we just figured out in for my k. So y equals negative 4x. So how do you find y in part C when x equals 18? I know that they have to have the same ratio. So I know that my y over my x has to equal the same ratio of y, which I don't know, over x. And all I do from there is I simplify things and solve. You have two options. You can cross multiply, or I like to do negative 44 divided by 11. We know that from earlier is negative 4 equals y over 18. I can get rid of that 18 by multiplying both sides of my equation by 18. And what I'm going to end up with is 18 times negative 4 is going to give me negative 72 equals y. So y in this case is negative 72. So what I have to do is I have to set up my proportions. Now, if I want to find out what x is when y equals 8, I know that y over x has to equal my y, which is 8, over the x I don't know. And I know, again, I can cross multiply. Let me do this one by cross multiplying, since we did the other one right above it by simplifying before multiplying. So let me say negative 44 times x is negative 44x. So I want you to be able to see both methods. And 11 times 8 is going to be 88. Now if I want to solve for x, I divide both sides by negative 44, and then what I get is x equals negative 2. So that's how you do the direct variation problems for the test.